Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, as you probably already know, is a little get unready with me. I've already taken off my lashes and the ones on the bottom, and I'm just going to show you things from skincare to makeup remover that I really like. There's some things that are super affordable and some things that are a little bit more high-end, so you know we just have to mix it around on this channel. But we're gonna remove all this, get back to square one, and if you wanna see how I go from 100 to 0, then just keep on watching. Now, the first thing is taking off all of these little stones. I have my trash can down here, and these are pretty cheap, so I'm just gonna peel them off. I tend to use Swarovski crystals for my looks. I feel like they just look better. They have like duochromatic shifts, whereas these are just one color. Now that we look like we've got a little freckle moment going on, I am gonna jump into some removers. Now I have two different options right here. This is the Garnier Makeup Removing Lotion Cleanser. I think this is about $10 at Walmart. And I love this. It has no fragrances, alcohols, or dyes. It's great for sensitive skin, and it can even get off waterproof makeup, which is really necessary whenever you get that black all around your eyes. And this is the Tatcha One Step Camellia Cleansing Oil. I like to use this to help break down stuff too, but if you don't want to break the bank with Tatcha, you can go in with the Pacifica Coconut Dissolve. This is also a really good option. So I'm gonna take a little bit of the lotion on my hands. What I like to do is just get it on the skin and kind of let it start breaking down everything on its own. And as you can already tell, it's getting stuff off of my face. Now I'm going to take these Equate cleansing towelettes. These, you get 60 wipes in a pack, and this actually came in a 2-pack for $6, girl. $6. I see other brands trying to charge like $15 to $20 for a pack of makeup remover wipes. And I'm like, they're wipes. Like, where do you get off thinking that you can charge that much for them? You literally throw them away. It's not like they're reusable. Now I'm gonna take a little cotton round and some Mario Badescu toner. This is the Witch Hazel and Rose Water. I love all of Mario Badescu's items. Like seriously, they're one of my favorite skincare brands. They are so affordable, and I've never really had a problem with them. I've heard that if you have more sensitive skin, that some of the fragrances can irritate your skin. I personally have never had that problem, and I do tend to break out like pretty easily if something has too much fragrance, but I feel like since these are natural and not like chemical fragrances, that it just works. So now that we're kind of back to a clean face, I'm gonna use a face mist. This is the Orange Blossom one from Mario Badescu. I have another one right here. I have a rose one. I have a big one of this somewhere. I just keep them on deck because I know I'm gonna run through them like crazy. The next thing I'm gonna do is take this Bite Beauty Agave Lip Mask. This is almost like a sugar scrub. Unfortunately, you can't eat this one. It doesn't really smell appetizing, but I really like the ones that are edible, like Jeffree Stars. I've never tried them, but it would be really cool to just be able to like, because I have made the mistake of getting some of this in my mouth and swallowing it, and it tasted so bad. I was like, oh my god, I'm gonna die. This is it. Farewell, guys. And I'm just gonna wipe that off. Now, also in the realm of lips, I have this mini of the Jose Marin Pure Argan Oil. I like to put this on my lips and just let her soak in. Me and oils aren't the best of friends when it comes to skincare. on the rest of the face, but I feel like on the lips, it's just so good and so hydrating. Now I'm going to take my IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream. This is one of my favorite moisturizers, and I've been swearing by this for years now. It really just leaves my skin so hydrated, and I feel like it's helped with my pores and my skin in general. I've noticed has kind of like changed in texture. I used to have like really dry skin. I mean, so dry to the point that like if I put on makeup, which I didn't wear a lot back then, it was mostly just bronzer and white, nasty light foundation. But this, it just looks so good and it feels so good. This brand is dermatologist tested, and I feel like that's why it's so good, because they really know what they're talking about. Another item on the kind of pricey side is the Ulla Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream. This doesn't really smell like bananas, which is unfortunate, but I have been really enjoying this. It really just gives my under eyes like a boost, and I feel like the yellowy tones in it help to cancel out like blue under the eyes. So in the morning, if you wake up and you're like, dang girl, I got no sleep, I need to just jet out the door, I like to pop a little bit of this on. One of the last steps is another Mario Badescu item. This is the anti-acne serum, and anywhere that you've got a little breakout, I just like to pop this on. My skin has been pretty much kind of just behaving lately, but I do have a little pop-up of spots here and there. And I'm just gonna go in with another little bit of the spray. And I like to get the décolleté, which is the neck and kind of in the chest, because you never want to forget about that. As you age, that ages just like your face skin, and people tend to neglect it, and it can show as you get older. And the last item is a good lip balm. This is from L'Occitane en Provence, and it is the Ultra Rich Balm Lèvre Beau de Crete something 10% shea butter. It has a lot of bougie words on here, but I just give my lips a good little dose of this, and we're good to go. So that is my little routine, how I get my skin cleaned and prepped for the night. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. As always, don't forget to leave me a little like or a comment and subscribe to my channel. And I really do appreciate when you guys comment. There's not a ton of you that do it, but for the few that are there, thank you so much for watching. And when I get a notification saying that there's a new comment, I always love to go in and read them, because this channel isn't huge and I'm not expecting to be some beauty guru making millions of dollars. These videos are for me. They're kind of just to document my process, and I love being able to scroll through my Instagram and see my growth, and being able to scroll through YouTube and see it is just another way to see how I'm growing. But let me stop rambling and stop this video. Again, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.